Welcome to planetgoals.com. In this tutorial, in the previous few tutorials, we have learned that how a new user can register to himself and become the authenticated user and can pass comments in the articles if the comments are enabled. So, what if we don't want to give any such link? For example, if with the Drupal installation you get this login window, we can remove this window by disabling the block of user login. But when I click on this login or maybe create new account, you just need to type in user and you get this login window, and when you click on create new account you get this create new account page. What if I don't want any person to come and register to my site? I don't want any person ever to come and register to my site. I don't want this link to appear here, nor I want to show him this link here for create new account. You just want your site to be static and for other users where people can come and visit, see, look at things, but they won't get an access to register themselves. Only the site administrator can do anything, whatever he requires. For that, you need to go to configuration, click on account settings here. Now we have few radio buttons here. You see registration and cancellation. You can register. Who can register to accounts? We have administrators only, visitors and visitors, but administrators approval is required. Now we will come to the third option later. For now, I'll just click on the first option, administrators only. When you click on administrators only, the link we had here, create new account, will go away. Now you click on this refresh button and you see that link has gone. When you type in user, you go to the login window. When you type in user, say question q equal to user. Now we had one more tab here which stated create new account, register, but the tab has gone away as we have selected this link, administrators only, where only the administrator will get a right to create more users. So there is no chance any visitor coming to the site would get an access to to register himself. So this is how we can stop other users to create new accounts. This login area would only be for the administrator. You can also hide this login area by going to blocks and disabling the login block, and to login you can just type in the URI, say question q equal to user, and that is how again the administrator will get the login to the site admin panel. Okay, that's it for this tutorial. Thank you.